Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure an Apple ID is active on the device and that Wi-Fi is connected. Sign in under Settings. Once done, go to Messages and FaceTime to trigger activation. You'll need a reachable email or phone number to receive a verification code. This is the key for identification. Make sure two-factor prompts reach another Apple device or email you control, because activation is confirmed there. If you have an old SIM just for codes, keep it handy for the first verification step. You toggle iMessage on, then wait. Activation can take up to a minute. Watch for the activated message. Next, open FaceTime, sign with the same Apple ID and select your email as caller ID so incoming calls show correctly. If activation asks for verification, use the code sent to your email or another Apple device. Once both services show your Apple ID, add any extra reachable email addresses to receive calls and messages, and verify them in the same settings panels. You finish by testing. Send an iMessage to another Apple account and confirm the bubble is blue, then place a FaceTime call to an email contact to verify video and audio. If messages remain green or activation fails, toggle iMessage and FaceTime off and on, restart the device, and sign out and back into your Apple ID. If that still fails, make sure date and time are set automatically and that your Wi-Fi permits Apple services. Those fixes resolve most activation errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.